Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Mandesh back with another video. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing video of none other than the Razer Raptor 27-inch display monitor. Now keep in mind, this is Razer's first monitor. It comes with 1 millisecond response time with 144 Hz. So it's a pretty good gaming monitor. Now in 2020, I wouldn't say it's the best monitor because there are monitors with higher specs right now. But hey, if you want a cool looking monitor, an awesome looking display, you might want to check this one out. So I haven't unboxed it yet. Let's unbox it and see how it looks. Check it out. And if you like it, well, actually if you like it, go check out their website. But hey, if you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget. So this is the box that I got it in. So let's unbox. The box is freaking huge. Alright, so let's check it out, you guys. So, got a wrap right here. Whew, this thing is heavy. This thing is heavy. Wow. Alright, so I'm like totally gonna skip this part. So I'm just gonna pull it out and see what happens. Let's check this out. Whoa, I did not see that coming. Yo, this gotta be the hardest unboxing I've probably ever done. So we got the green cords that are gonna go in the back right here in the box. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got more green cords, a power port, and yeah. The necessities. The time has finally come. Da, 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 da. So you guys, finally done setting it all up, and let me tell you something. This monitor is not easy to set up. It has a lot of wiring and those cables are super sensitive. I mean, the cable management is unreal right now. But I do like the RGB lighting. The quality, honestly, I wish you guys could see my screen because it is clear. It is super, super clear. Like the coloring is, it's amazing coloring. So overall, if I had to rate this monitor, I'd probably give it like an 8 out of 10. The only reason I would leave those 2 stars out, the cables. There's too much, and a lot of the cables are kind of useless. Like I would say 2 or 3 of the cables are completely useless. The USB cable though, I do like that feature. I thought it was kind of neat and different than other monitors. Overall, I still have to play and check it out, but for the most part, you should go check this monitor out. And if you like this video, go hit that like and subscribe button, and don't forget to share it and come back for more videos. Thanks, have a good one.